This is the laser jigsaw. Unboxing. Included in the package is a user manual and warranty card. You have your 6 saw blades, metal guide ruler, dust exhaust pipe, Allen wrench, and the laser jigsaw. Next, I'm going to go through some of the features. So at the bottom you have a tool-free blade change for fast and easy blade changes. Next you have your transparent guard, so it's easy to detect any issues. Next we have the dust extractor socket, pushes out dust. To the right we have the blow button, press to blow out dust in back. Next we have the 4-position orbital action, straight cutting, small curve cutting, middle curve cutting, and large curve cutting. The on-off switch for starting up and 2-way locking, locks the settings. Here's the on-off switch for LED and laser light. And on top we have the 6 variable speed controls. So the speeds are plastic, steel plate, stainless steel, aluminum, and wood. Here I'm showing an example of how to change the blade. So you just put it in and make sure to lock it. Clean it, you just remove the guard. So to use it, you pretty much just press down, make sure it's straight. Here I'm doing a test with the laser light on. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.